How to turn on typing indicator on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to turn on typing indicator on Instagram. Without further ado, let's get started. The typing indicator is a handy feature that lets the person you are chatting with see when you are typing a message. It helps keep the conversation flowing and improves overall messaging experience. So if you want to learn, first make sure you have updated your Instagram app to the latest version. Now launch Instagram app and sign into your account. Make sure you are on the home feed of Instagram. Tap the messaging icon at top right to open direct messages. Now you can easily launch a particular conversation. Now tap on their name at top left corner of your screen. Here you need to select privacy and safety and you got the option of typing indicators. So others can see when you are typing. Make sure that you toggle the button on and then turn the button on. So this will help you to turn on typing indicator on Instagram. Now the person you are chatting with will be able to see when you start typing. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching.